You got it?
Yeah, go ahead. It's avocado. Not me. He's thinking. He's thinking.
What do you think of that?
He's eating. He's looking at Dorota. He's like, oh, I want some pineapple.
I know.
No, that's I
I
don't want avocado. That's yucky. Not me. Audrey used to eat that when she was a baby. All the time. He eats it better than the rice cereal. Good job. Oh, okay. Good job, Elliot, sir. Whoop, he made a weird face. Slow down. Oh, it's bleeding.
There's a chunk in there.
Yeah, no chunks, Elliot. I don't like chunks.
You said there's turkey.
I like creamy.
Turkey's in the fridge, and there's the bread. And I got that macaroni for the girls.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So that's what I need to, I don't know.
You want to give me some, I'll sit over here and feed her.
Eating it.
Yeah, let me give you.
He likes it.
Mm-hmm.